Hello vlog. Welcome to me guys. We are here at Lutong Generacion, San Antonio, Binian, Laguna for a mukbang food tasting. We have already tasted their soup, mushroom soup, which is very creamy, and this is pang social kasi kaya hindi ko alam kung ano ang pangalan niya. Ruffles, which is very nice taste also. And this is their pampahaba ng buhay. Canton. So I have to eat it so that my life will be longer. It's yummy and it's so sweet for the prevention of UTIN.
Ito po yung broccoli stew.
Broccoli stew.
Buttered California.
Buttered California. So ibig sabihin ba kapag buttered California is galing siya ng California? Buttered California from California daw. So we have to taste it all. Pero dear followers, please teach me how to be maging social nga para try natin mag-social paminsan-minsan. This is their passion fruit and this is the orange juice. So we will also try it. Ini-steer daw. Ayun si Madam, ini-steer niya yung ano yung mga nandun sa loob? Itlog ba ng palaka?
Ano po siya? Yung dugo po siya ng mismong food. Ano po siya? Rich in fiber.
Okay. Sige, tikman natin. Mabango. Kasing bango nung ex mo. I tried the fried chicken also and it's very yummy. Very delicious. Si Madam Carla kasi pinapatry niya yung yung rice. May lasa, anong lasa nung yung plain rice, Madam Carla?
Yes, ang tubig po niyan ay mineral.
Kakaiba. Okay, sige. Ito daw, i-try natin. Titikman natin mamaya with Harvey kung ano yung lasa ng rice. Tapos with Jojo and with my ninang. Para saan ba to? Birthday mo? Nakikain lang pala kami sa birthday ng ninang ko.
Sana malagyan mo na ako ng boobs. Hindi talaga gusto. Para hindi ako iwan ng asawa ko.
Boobs! May tawag ito?
Lilipat sa kanya.
Pwede. Okay. Tawag dito?
Ayoko naman ng 10 ang utong.
Ayun. Si Carla, very masipag na tao dito. Their soup is creamy.
Fresh fruit. Yung iba kasi fruit cocktail.
This
Yung iba po, gelatin din.
this is their cathedral jelly. It was ordered in the Cathedral Church and blessed. Ayan, si Madam, nagsaserve pa si Madam, oh. May-ari pero yun si Madam. May-ari siya pero nagsaserve ang sipag kaya pala yung mayaman. Sana magbigay din siya ng swerte sa atin. Ano name niya?
Roasted chicken.
Roasted chicken daw. This is roasted chicken. Pag roasted ba is nilalagyan ng rose?
Ito po yung buttered chicken.
But okay, so given na buttered chicken kasi buttered ang nilagay. Hindi ko maintindihan kasi roasted sabi niya. So dapat may rose.
Ito po yung spicy chicken.
Spicy chicken wings daw. Titikman natin lahat.